Hey guys, Kyle here with HOGWORKZ. We are here in our Michigan R&D shop, excited to introduce you yet again to a brand new product. Here you have our fork-mounted LED signals. These are going to fit a wide variety of models. We have fitment for 14 to current touring, the new 24 touring platform, as well as the lowrider ST you see here behind me. These signals are extremely bright and feature automotive grade LEDs. They're going to offer a daytime running light in amber and then a turn signal, which is also in amber. These are plug and play and install on the machine in minutes. And today in the shop, we're going to get Alan here just to show you how easy it is. Let's get started.
So I want to start by taking off the windshield and the outer fairing. Plug and play. All right, so after you have the fairing off, what you want to do is line your light up. The left and right side is defined by the wire. You want the wire at the top and facing the rear. And then what we can do is we're going to take a measurement from here to the bottom of the light, just so we can position them both the same on each side. I think about 1.5 inches is a pretty good distance. So then what we can do is we'll put a little tape right here where the bottom of the light should be. So when we go to stick it on there, we'll know exactly where we want to be at. These are secured using the 3M sticky. So we'll want to go ahead and clean this area off where we're going to stick the light on it. Just make sure there's no dirt or debris on there. And now from here we can go ahead and remove the protective backing. And then lining it up with the bottom of your tape. And in the middle of the fork, kind of temporarily press it down a little bit. Don't push it down all the way right at the beginning, because if you do that, you don't like where it's at, it's gonna be tough to get off. So I kind of just push on the top and on the bottom just a little bit. I kind of just take a stand back to make sure it's where you want it at. And I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll go ahead and push it all the way on. And now we are ready to run the wire. Okay, so when you're running your wire, you want to take these zip tie stick-on holders, and what you're going to do is run one about like right there, and then another one right about in here. And then one trick I like to do is put the zip tie through here, just get a couple clicks on it, and that way you can just run the wire up through it. So once you stick that on there, go ahead and run this up through there. Go ahead and wouldn't tighten it down all the way yet in case you need to pull some wire through. Then again, we're going to put another one right about here, and then we'll go ahead and again run the wire through our zip tie here. So now that we have our wire ran through here, basically we're going to disconnect our OEM bullet signal. We're going to put our provided splitter harness in there, and that'll allow us to run our power to our fork signal, and then also keep power in our bullet OEM signal here. Disconnect our connection here. We're going to take our splitter harness, and one end is going to go on here, the other end on here, and then this end of the harness is going to plug into the light. Since we do make these same lights for different models, we did have to add some extra wire here. So what I would do is just bundle this up, and then using the little wire tie that it came with, just kind of wire tie this up. And then what we're going to do is add another one of those sticky zip tie holders here, and then we'll zip tie this cluster of wires right on the fairing right here, right about there. All right, you can go ahead and clip off the excess, and then we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Make your headlight connection, and we're ready to reinstall the outer fairing. Bring that, baby. All right, we'll go ahead and turn it on. Make sure everything's working right. Right turn. And left turn.